In order for us to solve this problem using our classpad, in other words, what we want to do is work out this feasible region and our corner points, which are here, here, and here of the shaded region. And we can use our calculator to do this by, if we go to class manager, or our classpad, sorry, what we need to do first is solve these equations for y, or these two equations for y. Now, to do that, we go to main, and then we can use either action, advanced solve, or interactive advanced solve. Either one, you enter the equation. So I click on action, advanced solve. I now type in my equation, which is 3x plus 8y greater than or equal to 24. 3x plus 8y. Keyboard, 2D tab, option, greater than or equal to 24. And I need to put in a comma, solve for y, execute. I get my equation. Now I need to highlight here and copy. Go to my graph and tabs. Just clear what is there and paste. Now I need to change the equals to a greater than or equal to, as it says back in the main when I solved it. There it is there. Okay, so I also need to solve 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 12. So again, action, advance, solve, 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to 12, comma y, execute, and I get my equation solved for y. Now highlight that part of the equation, hit copy, back to the graphing table, click into the next equation, and paste. Change the equals to greater than equal to by clicking on it, tapping on it, and I get click on that, and then my equation. You need to tap on execute or clicking in the box. Also change the look of the line for one of them so they're different. Okay, select that. What else do we need to put in? Okay, we need x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0 to complete our corner points, or the area that is going to be our feasible region. So to enter in them, what we need to do is change the y to an x greater than or equal to, put in 0, tick the box, and for the next one we need to change that to y greater than or equal to 0. Click on that. Let's change the look of those two lines. Click on, graph that. We get our feasible region there, so we need to, let's do a quick initialize so we can see pixels it a bit. Okay, we can zoom out or use our hand. I'll use the hand tool, bring it in a bit, and here's our feasible region. Now how do I find those 3 points using calculator. What I need to find is this point here, and this point here. Now this point here is the y-intercept of this line's equation. Which is this equation here. Okay, so in order to do that, I need to see where it crosses the y-axis. So in order to calculate that, I need to where it crosses the y-axis is when x equals 0. So in other words, I need to do a y calculation. And notice there's a box flashing. Okay, that's not the line I'm interested in, so I need to change that. So I use the up and down arrows on my classpad and find the line I want. And once I have, tap on execute, it brings up a box what label x is 0. We're after the y-intercept. Click OK, and there it gives me the point that I'm needing at 0 for x and 6 for For this point here, it is a intercept of those two lines there, so this line and this line. And in order to work that out, I go to analysis, G-solve and intercept. And okay, that's the line, one of the lines that I'm interested in. Okay, so I just tap on execute. The next line, yes, that is the correct one. Again, so I click on execute again, and it finds my intercept at 2.66 and y equals 2. Now for this point here, again, it's to do with this line, okay, which is the equation up here. So again, I need to do analysis, G-solve, and it's an x intercept, so I'm doing an x calculate, and the box is flashing on the right line, so that's good. Tap on execute, put in 0 because it's an x intercept I want, so y has to equal to 0 at that point. Click OK, and I get my 8 and 0 with my intercept. The point that I need. So now I have my 3 points. Now obviously, as you calculate these, you would jot down the points as you're going. Thank you.